Welcome to Uvatech. In this video, we will learn about what is data, how to access the data and understand basic commands using Python. Let us see first what is data. Data refers to a collection of information, facts, or statistics that are represented in a structured or unstructured form. It can be in the form of numbers, text, images, audio, video, or any other format that can be processed and analyzed by computers or humans. Data is often used to make informed decisions, derive insights, and discover patterns or trends. It serves as the foundation for various fields such as science, business, technology, and research. The interpretation and analysis of data can lead to valuable knowledge and understanding of various phenomena. In the context of computing, data is typically stored and manipulated using computers and data systems. It can be organized into databases, spreadsheets, files, or other structured formats to enable efficient storage, retrieval, and analysis. With the advent of big data and advancements in technology, vast amounts of data can now be collected, processed, and utilized to extract meaningful information and drive innovation in various domains. Jupyter is an open-source web-based interactive computing platform that allows you to create and share documents containing live code, equations, visualizations, and explanatory text. The name Jupyter is derived from the combination of the three core programming languages it supports: Julia, Python, and R. Jupyter provides an environment called Jupyter Notebook, which is a web application that allows you to create and work with notebooks. Notebooks are documents that can contain a mix of code, text, equations, and multimedia elements. The code in a Jupyter Notebook is divided into cells, where each cell can be executed independently. Jupyter provides an interactive and versatile environment for writing Python code, exploring data, conducting experiments, and documenting your work. Its combination of code execution, rich output, and collaborative features makes it a popular choice among data scientists, researchers, and developers. Let's see how Jupyter helps in writing Python code. Interactive execution. Jupyter Notebook allows you to write and execute Python code interactively. You can run code cells individually or all at once, which gives you the flexibility to test and experiment with code snippets quickly. Step-by-step execution. Jupyter Notebook allows you to execute code cells sequentially, enabling you to see intermediate outputs and debug your code step by step. This feature is particularly useful when you are working on complex algorithms or data analysis tasks. Rich output and visualizations. Jupyter Notebook provides the capability to display rich output alongside your code. You can generate visualizations, such as plots, charts, and graphs, directly within the notebook, making it easier to analyze and present your results. Documentation and collaboration. Jupyter Notebook allows you to include explanatory text, equations, and images using Markdown syntax. This makes it convenient for documenting your code, providing explanations, or creating reports. Jupyter Notebooks can also be easily shared with others, enabling collaborative work and facilitating reproducibility. Integration with libraries and tools. Jupyter Notebook integrates well with a wide range of Python libraries and tools. It supports popular data analysis and scientific computing libraries, such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and SciPy, allowing you to seamlessly use them within your notebooks. Code reusability. Jupyter Notebook enables you to write modular and reusable code by breaking it into logical units represented by different cells. You can execute cells individually, modify them, and rerun specific sections without affecting other parts of the code. To access data using Jupyter, you can follow these steps. Import the necessary libraries. Typically, you'll need libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, or specific libraries for accessing different types of data, like CSV or JSON. Make sure the required libraries are installed in your Jupyter environment. Load the data. Depending on the format of your data, you can use different functions to load it into Jupyter. For example, if you have a CSV file, you can use the read_CSV function from Pandas. Explore the data. Once the data is loaded, you can start exploring it. Use various functions and methods provided by the libraries to understand the structure and contents of the data. For example, You can use Head to view the first few rows of the data, Info to get information about the data types and columns, or Describe to get summary statistics. Thank you for watching and subscribing our channel. Happy learning!